Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Altima, and I will show you how to adjust the balance and fade of the radio speakers. Now you want to do that in case you suspect one of the speakers is not working, so you can test it that way, or you just want to disable, I don't know, left or right side of the speakers, or maybe the speakers in the back of the vehicle. This video will apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now this is quite easy to do. So here on the vehicle's radio you want to select settings, and then you want to select the sound. And here you will have bass, middle, treble, and balance and fade. So this means, so everything is now in the middle, right? Balance and fade. If I do this, if I move this icon all the way to the left, that means that only the left-sided speakers will work. And if I do, for example, this, that means only the left rear speaker will work, right? And let's say I do this and I do this, this means only the front speakers will be working on the vehicle. So that's why I said if you have a problem with one speaker, this is the best way to actually test it, right? You can test each speaker individually, or for example, if you have passengers on the rear seats that want to listen to the music and you want to have a conversation in the front, you can adjust these settings and yeah, do it that way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.